Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are seeing one more interview question. So question is like how can we restrict a user from creating and updating an incident record in ServiceNow unless an attachment is provided. So basically what we have to do for that one, like we are restricting the user to update or creating the incident without any attachment, right? So how can we do that one? First I will show you the things. We just open the incident table and first we try to update the things without incident, without an attachment. If it is possible, then we can see here. You can see categories. We just make it as hardware, and let's see it will update or not. That check it. Click on save. Now here you can see it's able to update without any attachment, right? So we have to restrict these things. So how can we achieve this one? So for that one, we have to write a BR. So I will open the BR business rule. Then you have to just go to the first page and then you have to write the business rule. Under the system definition, we got a business rule. We just open that one and we have create a new business rule. Here you can see we have a new button. Click on that one and after clicking on that one and the new BR record is opening. So we have to write the BR. First, we have to give the name. So we have to just give the name. Yeah, restrict user creating or updating. Okay, just make the table name. Select table. Table is our incident table. We have to write incident. Then we have to select the incident table. Now here you can see under the advanced section we don't have any scripts for that one. So we have to click on the advanced so that we can have a script one section. So here you can see in that one we have take the which type of BR, like before or after. We have taken the before because before saving data in the table, like incident table, we have to check that things, right? So we just make it as before and we have to just click on insert when the new record is creating. At the time we just use insert and we have update. The update is nothing but like when you update the current record, anything, right? So at the time it will trigger the BR. So now here you can see in the advanced section we have a script section. So here we have to write the script for that one. So we just write a script like where we just take incident equals to new and we have to just glide a record from sys underscore attachment table. Okay, in this table we have to go and we have to write if like add query and we have checked the table if table should be incident or not. So we just make the query table name is incident, then and make the sys id. For that incident we have to check the incident dot add query. Again we are checking the table sys id is match. Table sys id is a match of the current record, right? We have to write current dot sys id sys underscore sys underscore id. Okay, and then we have to write incident dot query. We have to execute that query and then we have to check if the record is, if anything is not there. So we have just incident not incident dot has next. Has next is nothing but will check the record is present or not, right? It will give the boolean value, like it's make it true or false. If the condition is true, then we go inside and we write add info message and we just pass please attach the attachments on the incident before updating. Okay, and we just make it as current dot, we have a set about action, and we just pass the value is true. Okay, then we have to click on save. After saving that record, we will try to update a record. Just click on the top bar. Now here you can see we have an incident that we have opened. We just refresh that incident. Now here you can see we have a hardware and we have a nothing in the subcategory. So I will try to make it update that record. After update the category, and we just click on save. Now here you can see we are trying to saving that record, but here you can see we got the please attach the attachment on the incident before update, right? Just click on refresh. Here you can see our category should be again hardware. So now I have to update, like add the attachment. So I have attached one attachment, and I will just make it as, and we just select the subcategories email, and then suppose we want to change some state or channel, we just make it as email. And now you try to click on save. Now here you can see now it's able to update that record. I just click on refresh. Here you can see, right, the previous category is hardware, now category should be engineer, help, and the subcategory is email, and its channel you can see the email, right? So this is a BR that we have written. So here you can see what you I will tell you the code first. Like first we have to go to the sys underscore attachment table. In that one, like all attachment are stored. So we just take that current record, just taking the sys ID of this record and matching in this table. Key is available or not. If you're available, then we go inside that one, and based on that condition, like if condition is true, then we go inside and we just make it as please attach the attachment on the incident before update, right? And we just make it as, if no attachment is there, so we just make it as about action. So all the changes are revert to the previous one. We can say that this is not updating the record. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.